If you're experiencing a verification pending status on Strava, it can be frustrating. Follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Check email confirmation. Make sure you have confirmed your email address. Look for a confirmation email from Strava in your inbox or spam folder and click the link to verify your account. Step 2. Update your profile. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SRC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Resubmit your activity. If your activity is pending verification, try re-uploading it. Go to the activity in question, delete it, and then re-upload the file or sync it again from your device. Step 4. Clear app cache. If you're using the Strava app, clear the cache to remove any temporary data that might be causing the issue. Go to your device settings, find the Strava app, and clear its cache. Step 5. Contact Strava support. If the issue persists, reach out to Strava support for assistance. Provide them with details about your account and the verification issue for a quicker resolution. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the verification pending status on Strava. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek further help from the support team.